Rock2Recovery is a community interest company. It provides coaching, intervention coaching to veterans serving members of the armed forces, their families and the emergency services. It's designed to help people be the best that they can be. Clients come to us for a number of reasons. Desperation is probably the most common. Desperate for their own mental health or that of a loved one. They often don't know what they need. And our hardest job is actually to separate out the panic into structured thought. The rock part of Rock2Recovery is the one thing in their lives for a client that is going to allow them to decide they have recovered. And all we do is help them find that rock and their road to recovery. Working in the business side of Rock2Recovery from 2017 to 2020 was like wading through 3 foot of mud. Paper, Excel spreadsheets, pain. We had to change as our client numbers grew exponentially. So from 2 a week to approaching 10 to 15 a week. It's now approaching 30. But we needed to automate. We needed to hold data properly, and it needed to be fast and efficient and accurate. And we were lucky. Fujitsu fell into our lap, and that's what we now have. The app has saved lives. We had a coach with a client on video, but the client started to threaten with rope to hang himself in front of our coach. Because of the app, we capture next of kin details. The coach managed to ring his wife, who was in the house, and then rang for an ambulance and the police. That was literally probably a month after the app went live. You know, there was an immediate success. Our partnership with Fujitsu has been more than about the application. It's actually about wanting to do good. Fujitsu surprised us with their empathy for what we were doing and their desire to help. They gave us an application that's automated all our work and now will take half a day as opposed to 2 weeks. That's the biggest difference that they've made.